Python programming language. Try, except. Comprehensive guide to try, except, and custom exceptions. The try block is used to wrap code that might cause exceptions, while the except block handles these exceptions. The else block runs if no exceptions occur, and the finally block executes regardless of the outcome. Python's exceptions, organized in a hierarchy, with the base class exception at the top. Understanding this hierarchy helps in identifying specific exceptions and handling them effectively. Catching specific exceptions allows for precise error handling. Use the except block to catch multiple exceptions and prioritize specific exceptions to avoid handling too broadly. The raise statement is used to manually trigger exceptions when specific conditions are met. This helps in controlling the program flow and providing informative error messages for better debugging. Custom exceptions are created by extending the exception class. They allow for handling specific errors and enhancing error management by integrating tailored exceptions into existing code. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.